Hello everyone, today I will tell you how you can create Tronlink Pro account. First we need to download it and then install. Let's search for it. Install it. Open it up when it is installed. And then click on create wallet. Agree to its terms and click don't ask me again. Now select the name for your wallet. Enter a appropriate password. Now click on create wallet. So make sure to back up the mnemonic as soon as possible, and it is advisable to write it on a piece of paper so it becomes almost impossible for the hacker to hack it. Click on backup. View the mnemonic and write them down. Now select the mnemonic as it is asked in your case and click on next step. And after passing this hard test of your life, you will be able to create your Tron Pro wallet, and congratulations on that. Make sure to hit that like button if this video helped you, and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.